Okay, guys, we just got a quick little update video on what's going to be going on with Fusion. So I've been busy, so I've not been making lots of videos. I've been working my server. But next week, expect some vlogs and stuff like that. And I'll show you my server this weekend. I'll show you the starting of my server. And jump in the water. Yeah, I should just jump in the water. This guy on my team, Okay, so I will show you starting my server, which is expected in July. Get back up there. Oh, it's on our team. Alright guys, so that that was a fail. I was using that pretty well. So if you enjoyed this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and goodbye.